गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 18 કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 19 from the following particulars of income of Sri Kiran Prajapati compute his taxable income under the head income from other sources for assessment year 2019-20. Gross interest income on bank deposit 31250. Dividend received on equity share of Indian company fully tax free, not considered in statement. Dividend received on preference share of Indian company fully tax free. Composite rent of factory building and machinery fully taxable under the head income from other sources. Ground rent fully taxable under the head income from other sources. Sitting fee fully taxable. Prize won horse race fully taxable. Rent received from subtenant fully taxable. Income from unexplained source fully taxable. Interest received on 2,25,000 10% tax free debenture of X Limited. Rate of TDS is 10%. Interest on 6.5% capital investment bond. Capital investment bond ઉપરનું interest fully tax free. Net prize won after deduction of tax 30% received on lottery 1,75,000. Sri Kisan Prajapati has present the claim to deduction in respect of following expenses: interest paid on loan taken to make investment in preference share, not allowed because preference share no dividend tax free है. Depreciation on factory building and machinery allowed as a deduction. Interest on loan taken to make investment in debenture of X Limited allowed as a deduction. Expense cost of lottery ticket not allowed as a deduction. Let's start. First we have to prepare statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mr. Prajapati. Particulars: amount. First, A, taxable income. Gross interest on bank deposit. Interest on bank deposit. $31,250. Second, dividend on share of Indian company fully tax free. Dividend on share of dividend on preference share of Indian company fully tax free. Fourth, composite rent factory building 87,500. Composite rent factory building 87,500. Fifth, ground rent 7,500. Next, sixth, sitting fee 75,000. Sitting fee as director 75,000. Prize won in horse race 1,25,000. Horse race price 1,25,000. Rent from subtenant 18,000. Rent from subtenant 18,000. Income from unexplained source 1,25,000. Next, ninth, interest on debenture of X Limited. Working note number 1, X Limited. First of all, we have to calculate amount of interest. 10% 2,25,000. So 2,25,000 and over 10%, 22,500. Let's assume gross interest is 100 minus TDS rate is 10. So 90 is net interest. 90, 22,500. Then 100, how much? 22,500 divided by 90 multiplied by 100, 25,000. 25,000. 11th, interest on capital investment bond, tax free. Interest on capital investment bond, tax free. 12th, price from lottery. Price from lottery. Working note number 2, lottery price. Net lottery price is given 1,75,000. Let's assume gross is 100 minus TDS. Rate of TDS is 30%, so 30. Net interest is 70. 70, 1,75,000. Then 100, how much? 1,75,000 divided by 70 multiplied by 100, 2,50,000. 2,50,000. Next, total A, $31,250 plus 87500 plus 7500 plus 75,000 plus 1,25,000 plus 18,000 plus 1,25,000 plus 25,000 plus 2,50,000. 7,44,250. Total income minus less B, deduction allowed, interest paid on loan taken to make investment in preference shares not allowed, depreciation on building and machinery allowed, $50,000. Interest on loan for making investment in X Limited, $6,250. Lottery ticket not allowed, $5,6,250. This is B. A minus B, total taxable income from other sources minus 56250, 6,88,000. This is your answer. Next example, example number 20. Prithvi furnished the following details of his investment for financial year 2018-19. Calculate her taxable income under the head income from other sources for assessment year 2019-20. 12% tax-free debenture of Sri Ram Company Limited, 1,12,500. Rate of TDS is 10%. 8% tax-free Government of India security, 2 lakhs. 9% less tax bond of Punj Limited, TDS 10%, 50,000. Agricultural income from land in Punjab, fully tax free. Punjab, that means India ની અંદર agriculture income fully tax free છે. Agricultural income from land situated in China, 4,50,000, fully taxable. Director fee received as a company, as an independent director, 20,000, fully taxable. Dividend received on share of companies in UK, fully taxable because foreign companies share dividend, so taxable. Dividend received on share of Dhruv Limited, 2,000, that is declared by Indian company, fully tax free. Interest on 7% capital investment bond, fully tax free. Interest received on 10% tax free debenture of Narmada Limited, rate of TDS is 10%, amount of interest is given 18,000. Rent received from open plot of land situated in India, fully taxable. Rent received from house property sublet, rupees 16,000. Cost of amenity provided to subtenant, 3,000. That is deductible. Bank commission paid for collection of dividend from Indian company, 200. From company in UK, 700. 700 is allowed as a deduction. Now let's prepare the statement showing taxable income from other sources of Mrs. Purvi. Assessment year 2021, previous year 1920, particular amount. A, taxable income. First, tax-free debenture of Sri Ram Company Limited. Interest on debenture of Sri Ram Company Limited. Working note number 1. Sri Ram. Investment is given, so we have to calculate interest. 1,12,500. એના ઉપર rate of interest છે 12%. 13,500. Type of security is tax free, so we have to calculate gross 100 minus rate of TDS is 10, net 90, 13,500, then 100, how much? 15,000. Second, 8% tax-free government security of India. Interest on government security, 2 lakhs, એના ઉપર 8%, 16,000. Third, agricultural income from Punjab, tax free. Fourth, agricultural income from China, taxable, 4,50,000. Fifth, director fee 20,000. Next, dividend received on share of companies in UK. Dividend on share of UK, fully taxable 80,000. Seventh, dividend on share of Dhruv Limited, fully tax free. Next, 8, dividend on interest on 7% capital investment bond, fully tax free. 9% less tax bond of Punj Limited, interest on Punj Limited bond. Here it is less tax type of security, so grossing up is not required. 50,000 and a 9%, 4,500. 10th, interest on debenture of Narmada Limited, working note number 2, Narmada Limited. Interest, first of all we have to calculate interest. Interest is given 18,000. Let's assume that gross interest is 100 minus rate of TDS is 10%, net 90. 90, 18,000, 100, how much? 20,000. Eleventh, rent received from house property, subtenant, rent from subtenant, total 16,000 minus amenity charges 3,000, 13,000. 12, rent received from land 18,000. Total 15,000 plus 16,000, 15,000 plus 16,000 plus 4,50,000 plus 20,000 plus 80,000 plus 4,500 plus 20,000 plus 13,000 plus 18,000, 636,500. This is A. Less B, deduction allowed. Dividend collection charges, UK company 700. A minus B, total taxable income 635,800. This is your answer. Next example we will calculate in our next session. Thank you.